Get your old copy from the last time. This is just an example scenario. Oh, were we able to finish this one? This one only, right? Everyone, today let's finish your reading passage. I'd like you to answer questions 1 to 5 to 6 to 9 now. I'll give you only 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes only, that's enough. Because you already understand some of it. And your 10 minutes starts now. minutes. answer now. Number 1. Number 1 to 5 question. The reading passage is 5 paragraphs from A to E. Which section contains the following information? Write the correct answer of A to E. You may use the letters for more than one. Oh, wait, not yet. Not yet. Number 1. A system in which resources would be exploited to their full potential through the regeneration. We have here exploited potential regeneration or resources. That's letter Sandra. C. It's letter C. A system in which resources would be exploited to their full potential through the generation. Okay, let's look for the answer for letter C. Many people are now considering how the global economy might function differently. In order the more value extracted in existing resources, the thinkers behind ideas of pioneered the new standard of the world could be run the circular economy. The central aim of moving towards circular economy is to improving resources productivity and keeping goods and resources and possible through recovery, reuse, repair, and remanufacturing, recycling. It isn't therefore about doing more or less, but rather doing more with what already has been solved, materials. Exploited resources, potential regeneration. Number 2, a proposal to make manufacturers more accountable for goods they produce. A proposal, manufacturers accountable goods produce. The answer is letter D. Why letter D? We're talking about manufacturers. Okay? We have here represents move forward enterprises such as car sharing. I'm sorry. We have here. Now, the smaller scale schemes are being conceived by many companies to use resources more efficiently. Yes, that one. We're talking about the proposal of manufacturers. Manufacturers are people who buy the goods, okay? No, we have here rented customers, okay? These are what we call. Next one, number 3. The cost of wasteful approach to living. Wasteful approach to living. It's letter B. A. It is A. We have here in Germany, for instance, almost 1/3 of household appliances disposed in 2012. Disposed here refers to wasteful approach to living. Okay. Number 4. A realistic prediction to the future of our planet. Letter realistic. No. Realistic. Linda.
E.
B. Why? We have here.
E.
Oh, E. No, it's letter B. It's letter B. Why B? We have here. We are talking about the future. Okay. Now, as you can see here, in the reading passage, we have here Industrial Revolution of 18th and early 19th century. It's not endangers natural world, but will eventually have an adverse effect to living standards, such as clean source of portable water and forests, making it even more energy efficient, which means even higher consumption of given consumption more as we earn more. We cannot continue grow as species will without changing the way we operate. Now, as you can see, the underlined words there actually represents the future of our planet, the realistic predictions. Number 5, the potential risks of step-by-step approach. We're still talking about potential risks. Now, approach towards economic challenge. It's letter E. We have here the underlined word. That is economic benefits gained in one area, such as driving less, being offset by all those savings being spent on another product or services. For all these reasons, we need to collaborative approach. Okay? The potential risks. So what are our risks here? What's the risk? Being offset by all of those savings spent on another product or services. Okay? Next one. Number 6 to 9. No more than one words. Number 1. And number 6. The consequences of approach. No more than 2 words. The consequences of progress. Many of the problems of our age can be blamed on blank, which took place over 2 centuries ago. It's, what is it? Barry?
Yes.
What? Huh? What is it? It's in letter B. Many of the problems of our age can be blamed on the blank, which we took place over 2 years ago. 2 years ago. The answer is Jack. Wait. Sandra.
I think the industrial revolution.
Yes, it is Industrial Revolution. Wait for it. Was that your answer also? Wait, I lost something. Wait, where are you? problems of our age blame on the blank which we took over 2 years ago? That's in letter B, and the answer is Industrial Revolution. Okay? The increased ownership of the cars regularly, the Industrial Revolution of 18th and early 19th century, that refers to age, okay? 2 centuries, 19th century and 18th century. Number 7, people are soon expected to see deterioration in their blank in addition to the current threat to the environment. The answer is, what's the threat? Linda? Barry. Living standard. The living standard, okay? People are soon expected to see deterioration. The deterioration of their living standard in addition to the current threat of the environment. Already declining, resources means that the world is having limit. It's, what are they limiting? They're limiting, Sandra? No? What's that? No. No. What are they limiting? The productivity or economic productivity. Number 19. The blank is expected to expand twofold worldwide by 2030, bringing it with it a rise in spending power and even greater use of resource. This is the answer.
Middle class.
Middle class. What letter is that, Jack?
Middle class.
Yeah, where can you find middle class?
Letter B.
Letter B. All right, everybody, now let's proceed to the next page, which is vocabulary. For the vocabulary, it's academic verbs for thoughts and beliefs. When we say thoughts, it's the thing that we think, and for the belief, it's the things that we believed, okay? Now, match the words below with its meaning. Do not use your phone, just try it out. We have here acknowledge. Everybody, could you please pronounce with me the words correctly? Everybody, acknowledge. Everybody say acknowledge. Acknowledge. Assume. Wait, I cannot read. Conceive. Everybody conceive. Consider. Contradict. Convince. Define. Speculate. Speculate. Okay, could you try to identify which words there it is? Alright, let's answer now. Number 1. It is believed that something is true. Okay, something is true, although you do not have definite proof. So it's like something is true, but you don't have definite proof about it. So what do you think is it? It's yes, exactly. You would assume. Okay, that's assume. Number 2, to disagree with something, especially by saying that the opposite is true. That is? Huh? Huh? No. Huh? Second. Contradict, exactly. Is to disagree. You disagree with something, especially by saying the opposite that is true. It's contradict. Number 3, to describe something correctly and thoroughly. It's describe something correct. Okay, it's correct. And you describe it thoroughly, so it's in order. It's no. Define, okay? You describe something correctly. It's correct, so it's defined. To guess about the possible causes or effects of something. To guess, just guess, okay? You need to guess what are the possible causes and effects. It's what? No. You take a guess. It's a guess. You need to guess what is cause and effect. Linda. No. Jack? No. It's speculate. When you speculate, it's the meaning of that, you take a guess. What are the possible cause and effect? Okay, so it's speculate. Number 5, to think about something carefully. Okay, carefully. Think something carefully. It's consider. Okay, number 5, to admit or accept something that is true, that a situation exists. Again, to admit or accept. You already admit and accept about the truth that the situation is actually exists. The answer is? No. No. It's acknowledge. Okay? To admit or accept true situation exists. Next, number 7. To make someone feel certain that something is true. Again, to make something feel certain that something is true. So you make him, okay? You tell him something and you feel certain that it's true. That is convince. You convince your friend that tomorrow we will be having a class. Something like that. Next, to imagine a particular situation. It's conceive. Imagine particular situation. I've been conceived by my friend. Alright, everybody, let's proceed to letter B. And for letter B, complete the text with the correct form of verbs in exercise 1. I'll give you only 2 minutes for that, gang. 3 minutes. Use the verbs in exercise 1. let's answer now. Complete the text with the correct form of verbs in exercise 1. Could you blank of a life without a mobile phone? Could you? Speculate. Imagine. It's like, could you imagine of a life without mobile phone? What is imagine? It's could you acknowledge? Imagine. Okay? It's like you are imagining a particular situation. Conceive. Could you imagine? It's the same as conceive and imagine. It's like almost the same. Could you conceive of a life without a mobile phone? You see that? It's to imagine. You are imagining a particular imagination. What is our, particular situation? Our particular situation here is life without a phone. Okay? So it's conceived. Although it seems unlikely. There is a chance that people phone production could stop. This is due to scarcity of the rare earth metals used to construct and power all smartphones. Rare earth metals are blank as lanthanides. It's what's number 2? Acknowledge. It's define. You're defining. Rare earth metals are defined as lanthanides. Defined means to describe something correctly. Okay? That's correct. Metals or rare earth metals are lanthanides. Therefore, we use defined for that. Which are 17 chemical elements in the periodic table. You see that? That's real. Okay? That's correct and thorough. Most people blank that resources needed for smartphones will go on forever. Will go on forever. That's our keyword there. So it's will go on forever. What do you call that? The answer is assume. Exactly. It's assume. Will go on forever. They are talking about something that is true, right? Although you do not have definite proof. We're not sure about it. So we assume. And we have here will go on forever. So we're not sure if it will. Okay. Next one. However, the evidence blank this. It's what? It's like we disagree with something, especially by saying that the opposite is true. It's contradict. Because it's not true. We don't know yet, right? However, the evidence contradict this. So they're not sure about it. While companies try to blank us by giving it's fine. Convince, exactly. The company are convincing you. Scientists blank that this could change. What? No? Read. The scientists blank this could